KC brand 4510 amber fog lights, as seen in the back of the movie. And we're just marking up the tail light here. Make sure we install it correctly. It's believed that in the movie that the tail lights were actually mounted to the tub, which gave them a better downward angle ability. However, for more practical purposes, we attach our fog lights in the club, for the most part, to the top of the tail light itself. This way you're not drilling through your body or chipping your paint if it's already been painted, like number 7 here. And then it just rests evenly on the back. We'll be wiring it up to the reverse lights so that the lights only come on when the vehicle's in reverse. Another option would be to run a power or ground cable to the front of the vehicle, and you can add a switch where you can turn them on manually. Since rear fog lights aren't very useful to the average everyday driver, we'll just be doing this one to the reverse lights. Is easy to go through. We have to watch this metal plate inside the tail light housing. So to watch your fingers as well as you go through the plate. Twisty. Thank you.